Good day, I'm Matt from kiteboardinglines.com and today I'm gonna show you how to replace lines in a Trust Bar. So we got here 2016 Nord Trust Bar and we're gonna install actually convert set to convert your old bar into a new 2020 Duotone line setup. So the first thing what you should do, you should remove all lines from your bar. Once you removed your lines, that's how your bar should look like. So basically there will be only a power rope. You should also keep your safety ring because that's what we'll need later on. So how we're gonna start? We're gonna start by attaching the chicken loop to some kind of a pole or a tree. I'm gonna use just a safety leash to do that. The tree is actually quite big, but that's fine. Once the bar is attached, we're gonna take our new lines from the bag. What we're gonna do first, we got a couple of bags inside with parts which we're gonna need later on. First, what we're gonna take is a bag with the strong middle line and the safety line. Let's unwind the safety line first. Once this is done, we'll take splice 10 of the safety line and put it through that black metal piece, then through the bar and through the iron heart. So once the safety line went through the iron heart, we'll attach the safety ring to it, just like that. So we go inside the ring and the loop outside the ring. We just got our safety line installed. Next, we'll take the strong middle line and unwind it in the same way. One end of the strong middle line we attach to that pulley. We take one end like that, and the other end we put through that one, just like that. Now is the time to install some extra parts. We'll take out of our bag with parts these ones. So we need the safety pulley, the metal O-ring and the connector line. If you have standard set of lines for 2016 or 2017 Trust Bar, you will use only your safety pulley. If you have upgrade kit or Trust Bar from 2018 plus, we will use all these parts. Let's attach the strong middle line to the safety pulley, just like this. If you have a standard set of lines for 2016 or 17 Trust Bar, you will install your front lines directly here. Here we have upgrade set. That's why here we will install the connector line. Same case for people with 2018 onwards Trust Bar. So we install connector line here. We attach the connector line like that. This gives you ability to use D-bar with 4 or 5 lines setup. So if you got 5th line, you will install 2 lines to that metal ring. We attach the metal ring the same way, like that. So as I said before, if you have 5 lines set up, you will install 2 lines to the metal O-ring, right and left. Otherwise, you install only 1 line to the ring. Now the front lines. We have two front lines. One should have this red connector at the end. That's the one we need now. And to that red connector we'll attach the safety line. Let's unwind the lines first. Now we put through that safety pulley one end of front line and pull it all the way through. The front line should stop at the knot on the red connector attached to the line. Here we can attach the safety line. Just like that. Now we will install the other front line. We install it directly to the metal ring. Now it's the time for backlines. The backlines are packed together. The easiest way to separate them is to attach them to something, for example the safety leash. We install the backlines. We put one end of the backline to the loop at the end of a leader line, and the other end of the backline through the loop of the first end of that line. We do the same with the other backline. Now it's the time for pigtails. The last thing we have to do is to check if all lines are the same length. In our case, they are all good. We just have to make sure that the safety line is loosey when fully powered. There should be no tension on the safety line. If there is, we'll have to move it to the next available knot. If your backlines are too long or too short comparing to the front lines, you can adjust them. On both sides of your bar there are cups. If you open them, you will be able to change the length of your backlines by going to the next or previous knot.
Thanks for watching. The best time to change your line is when it's not windy, so you don't waste your session. And see you next time.